everyone. I know I'm not Lotti. I'm Jasmine, filling in for her today, and I'm not real either. Everything you're about to watch is completely AI generated. The visuals, the movements, the sounds you're hearing, I bet all of it is created with AI. Glass textures, looks real, sounds satisfying, but it isn't real. Just AI visuals designed to look and sound oddly satisfying. So relax, turn your volume up, and let's get into it.
So first you're going to go to ChatGPT because this is where you're going to generate your character that's going to be in your mukbang videos and also your clips for your mukbang video. So what you're going to paste in is create a consistent AI character for an AI SMR mukbang. And then I'm going to describe what I want her to look like. I also add in that she has to look the same every time. So be specific when generating her, describe her skin tone, the color of her hair, the texture, all of that. And this is what I put in. When I was done, it gave me a long prompt and also some pictures of what she might look like when she's generated. That one is more closer to Jasmine that you've seen in the beginning. This prompt is very descriptive. You can add in the negative part of the prompts, but you don't need to because you've already stated you wanted it consistent. Now you're going to copy the full prompt of what your character will look like, and you take it over to notes and you just paste it in so you have it for every time that you generate a new clip with her. Then you're going to go back over to ChatGPT in the same chat and you're going to ask for prompts for your mukbang. Now what you're going to do is paste this prompt. I want you to create 5 short clips using the same AI character, and then I'm going to use honey. That's what's going to be the mukbang. It's going to be a bunch of food made out of honey, and I also describe the foods I want to use. Then I also put the first clip should show a table completely full of different honey foods arranged. Do not forget that part. That part is crucial. Also, at the end, I'm going to put give me each prompt one at a time so that I get more of a specific prompt. Then, once I generate, it's going to give me this prompt here. Now, this prompt is good, but I do want her to say something in the beginning, like an introduction or something. You're going to say, can you make her whisper like ASMR? Hello, everyone. I'm Jasmine, and today we are eating honey. Then you're going to generate it and it adds what you want her to say in the clip you just approved. Now she doesn't have to talk every single time, but when the clip comes up that you want her to talk, you just add that part in. Do not generate more clips. Do this one first, do them one at a time. Then you're going to copy and bring it over to Flow. This is where you're going to get her whisper voice, the gooey sounds from honey, all that good stuff. Click Create with Flow. Then it takes you over to the Flow station. You're going to be on Labs Google. Don't worry, it's linked. Then you click New Project. Then it's going to open this part here. Now, make sure you're on video, not images. You can create images on here for free, which is nice, but today we're using the video part. Make sure you're in text to video. Then you're going to check your settings right there. Make sure you're on landscape, one output, VO 3.1 fast. Then you're going to paste in the clip 1, and now you're going to paste in her description that you put in your notes right at the beginning before the clip. So go back over to notes, and what you're going to do is copy the full prompt of what your character is going to look like. Then go back over to Flow and then paste her description right before clip 1. So then you just move it down some so you can differentiate which is where and what is what.
When working with AI, describe skin tone to get more accurate results.
And then you click generate. When it's done, you will get something like this.
Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine, and today we are eating honey. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine, and today...
That turned out so good. Okay, I'm going to show you once more how to do it, just to make sure you know what I did. So once you're done, you're going to save this video and then you're going to come back over to ChatGPT. Now it says all you have to say is next, and that's really all you have to say. Make sure you type in what you want the next food to be, or it will guess, and sometimes it's not always a good one. So I said a cake made out of honey, and then just like that, it gives me clip 2. Now this part on clip 2, she doesn't talk. I want it that way. I want it to just be, if you do want her to talk, you just do the exact same thing I did with clip 1, and then she'll talk. Now what you're going to do is take her description, again, the same one from the notes, and paste it in the prompt box. Once you paste that in, you can paste in clip 2. Just grab clip 2 and then right on the bottom of her description, you paste it in just like we did with clip 1. Once you're done and everything is good, you're going to click generate. Now you are going to repeat this process for every single clip you create. It's pretty accurate and sometimes it's a bit off, but it's usually right. When it's done, you'll get something like this. Okay, I think this is one of my favorite videos I've ever made. Okay, so once you're done, you're going to download all the videos, and you can download them, you can upscale them, and it's free, or you can download original. Then you're going to take all the clips over to CapCut. So the beginning video that you've seen of Jasmine, I just put all the clips together. You don't even need a paid account for this because all you're doing is putting the clips together. You can put them in whatever order you want. Just make sure the full, where she has a table full of food, is the beginning. Once you have the videos in order the way you want them, you're going to download it. Make sure you take off AI Ultra HD. I hate it. It doesn't generate it correctly. Now you can generate 1080 or 4K. I usually do 1080.
If you enjoyed this, like and subscribe for more AI visuals like this. If you want my prompts and my workflow step by step, including how I create the visuals and add your own AI character like this, everything is inside my community. Thanks for watching.